What is dissociation of assets in Illinois? When marriages fall apart, one spouse sometimes wastes or misuses marital property in ways that can devastate the other spouse's financial future. Illinois law recognizes this harmful behavior as dissipation of assets, and courts have the power to hold the wasteful spouse accountable. Dissipation occurs when one spouse uses marital property for their own benefit, unrelated to the marriage, during or after the breakdown begins. Courts focus specifically on spending that serves no legitimate marital purpose and is tied to the marriage's deterioration. The Illinois Marriage and Dissolution of Marriage Act lists dissipation as a mandatory factor courts must consider when dividing property. To establish a dissipation claim, the timing, purpose, and nature of the spending must meet specific legal criteria. The waste must occur when the marriage is undergoing irretrievable breakdown, involve marital property, and benefit only one spouse. Gambling with marital funds represents one of the most common forms of dissipation in Chicago divorce cases. Casino losses, online betting, and lottery purchases all qualify when they drain the marital estate unnecessarily. Spending money on romantic partners outside the marriage also frequently triggers dissipation claims in Illinois courts. Gifts, hotel rooms, airline tickets, and dinners paid for with marital funds have all been recognized as dissipation. Deliberate destruction of marital property constitutes another form of asset waste that courts will address in property division. Failing to maintain mortgage payments that result in foreclosure can also qualify as dissipation of the lost equity. However, reasonable living expenses like rent, groceries, and utilities do not constitute dissipation even when they reduce assets. Good faith business losses due to market conditions also typically do not qualify absent evidence of intentional mismanagement. The dissipation clock starts when the marriage begins its irretrievable breakdown, not when divorce papers are filed. Courts examine objective evidence like separation dates, communication patterns, and extramarital relationships to determine this timing. Protecting your share of the marital estate requires understanding these complex rules and gathering proper evidence to support your claim. Call Caesar and Bender, LLP at 312-236-1500, located at 150 North Michigan Avenue #2130, Chicago, Illinois 60601, to schedule your consultation today.